Hi, I'm Dr Jacqueline Campbell. I'm the course director at Leeds Beckett University for computing and for data science.
The session was very insightful. The things she brought to the table regarding job interviews, career placement and how to look into the future of tech field was very insightful.
Well, we've had a long-standing relationship with the British College. They've been running our courses here for a number of years. The data science course is a really exciting, interesting and contemporary course. It's something that we need right now. We're all using data. We're using it on a personal level to maybe check the traffic when you go out, or track your Fitbits, or to watch your teams and play around with their numbers. It's being used in business to automate processes, and with this to make processes more accurate. We talk about data sort of informing maybe a problem or a process or something that we're just looking into, an investigation. So of course with this, students are excited by it. You know, we're all excited and we're using it, and artificial intelligence takes that just a whole step further on what could be, what might be. It's changing our society, changing the way we do things, and gives us something to really think about.